Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited about today's topic because we are going to break down something that's super important for anyone who's running Facebook ads funnel. We are talking about the three types of audiences you will work with: cold, warm, and hot. If you are running ads for kitchen and bath remodeling business, or honestly any B2B niche, this is the kind of stuff that turns your ads into a real results. Stick around because I am going to show you exactly how to move prospects from never heard about you to let's sign the deal. This is the visual representation of tofu, mofu, and bofu. What is tofu? Top of the funnel, where people become aware of the problem you can solve. What is mofu? Middle of the funnel, where prospects want a solution and consider their options. And what is bofu? Bottom of the funnel, where prospects decide on a solution and become your customers. Think of a funnel with three parts: top, middle, and bottom. The top is where you bring people in. The middle is where you nurture them. And the bottom is where you close the deal. I will walk you through everything step by step. Let's start with the basics. What is Facebook ads funnel? A funnel is simply the process your audiences goes through from being unaware of your business to become a paying customers. It is called funnel because the number of people decreases at every stage, and that's okay. Here's how it breaks down. Cold audience. These are people who have no idea you exist. Warm audience. They have seen or heard about you but aren't ready to commit. Hot audience. These folks are serious and ready to take action. And here's the thing, you can't talk all these groups the same way. Each one needs a slightly different approach, and I'm going to show you how to make it work. So let's start at the top of the funnel with cold audiences. Imagine Imagine this. You are running Facebook ads for kitchen remodeling businesses, and there's someone named Amy. Right now, Amy doesn't even know your business exists. She might be thinking about remodeling her kitchen, but she hasn't taken any real steps yet. For cold audiences, your goal is simple: get their attention and introduce yourself. Here's how to do it: eye catching visuals. Show before and after photos of stunning remodels. People love transformations. Educational content. Create something like 5 signs it's time to remodel your kitchen. Video ads. Use quick, engaging videos that shows your prospect or highlights clients' success stories. The point here isn't to sell. It's just to make Amy stop scrolling and take notice and think, oh, this looks interesting. Now let's talk about warm audience or the middle of the funnel. This group is already aware of you. Maybe Amy clicked on your ad or watched one of your videos. She interested, but she is not ready to make a decision just yet. Your goal here to build trust and show her the value you bring to the table. Here are some ideas. Retargeting ads. Use Facebook retargeting feature to remind Amy about your services. Free resources. Share a guide like top 10 kitchen trends for 2025 or a free design checklist. Social proof. Show off glowing reviews, testimonials, or case studies. For example, you could run an ad that says, Amy, see how we transform this outdated kitchen into a modern dream space in just 4 weeks. By now, she is starting to trust you and see the potential in working with you. Finally, let's talk about hot audiences, the bottom of the funnel. These are your high intent prospects. Amy's seen your ads, she's clicked through, maybe even filled out a lead form. Now she's ready to make decision. You just need to nudge her in the right direction. Here's your goal. Make it easy for her to say yes. Here's what works. Special offers. Run ads like schedule your free kitchen design consultation today. Urgency. Use phrases like limited spot available or book before a date or get 10% off. Clear call to action. Keep it simple. Ask her to book a consultation, call you, or fill out a form. At this stage, you have done the hard work. Now it's about making Amy feel confident in her decision to choose you. Why funnel works? Here's why the Facebook ads funnel works so well. It meets your audiences exactly where they are. Cold audiences needs awareness. You are just getting on their radar. Warm audiences need nurturing. You are building trust and showing them why you are the right choice. Hot audiences need a little push. Make it easy for them to say, I'm in. When you align your ads and messaging with these stages, it feels seamless for your audiences. They are not being rushed or pressured. They are being guided naturally towards making a decision. And there you have it. Your complete guide to Facebook ads funnel for cold, warm, and hot audiences. Whether you are targeting homeowners for kitchen remodel or businesses in another niche, these principles will help you maximize your ad performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest takeaway. Let me know what topic you like me to cover next. Until next time, keep building those funnel and closing those deals. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.